The role has been assigned. 33. It is a part of the consultancy agreement. Market development for sale of animal feeds. Liaison with dealer and
Assessment of prospective dealers and stakeholders.
yes, to act under the board of directors and be operating in charge of the ethical norms of all employees of the company for operators. And apart from that, whether she has done anything that yes. Because the money has been transferred from his account, it has to be remitted from the customer's account. To Deepsika Chaudhary account, the petitioner's account. Yes, it is a personal account. Yes, kindly see. No, page 68 or page 67.
This you have referred to all this in your reply.
Yes. 67, kindly see. 1, 2, 3. This is 5 lakhs has been. It's from Sonali Foods, maybe, but it is the hard record.
This account is whose account? The account number at page 67 is whose account?
It is of Deepsika Chaudhary. Because Annexure 9. Can you see Annexure 9? Page 9, para 9 of the criminal petition. Yes. Yes. May I read? That the petitioner beg to say that out of the 156 metric ton of goods, the petitioner make payment against the 133.75 metric ton goods, and according to the head office issued delivery notes with effect from so and so, and the godown is charge deliver so and so to the customer. The petitioner make payment of the so and so. Now, I will see page 67, 66. It's bill 8723, bill so and so, interest Sonali Foods, 1 lakh. Then last one 29/6/23.
29? Yes.
29/6/23,
Hudson
bill
Food.
Hudson Food, Atwa Rahman. This is our customer. They have annexed one invoice, that is at page 65. This is the delivery note.
No, it is mentioned here. The petitioner also make
Notes.
payment of rupees
Because
so
the
and
customer
so
has directly
on-
remitted the
on
amount to
so
the.
and so against 30 empty goods.
Yes.
But till date, the head office did not issue any delivery notes. Therefore, on so and so, the petitioner sent email to the company asking the send the payment delivery note. But till date, delivery note was not furnished to the petitioner.
We cannot issue any delivery to the petitioner, because by see, my lord, the remittance has to be the payment has to be given by the customer directly to the Hudson.
I'm sorry, but I'm not being able to appreciate your argument as how this is going to constitute a criminal offense. There may be some procedural lapses, maybe something, but as far as Deepsika is concerned, because the ingredients of these sections has to be there. Say, for example, under 406, though in your in the
In
note
4
that
years
you have submitted,
yes,
you have mentioned about that she has been entrusted and all
Yes.
that, but you are giving up that.
yes.
Now, if
But
you,
in 4 years, my lord, can you see in
what are the ingredients of 420?
before my lord, kindly see the 40 section 405. It used by in any manner entrusted.
Yes.
The entrustment word had been interpreted by Supreme Court many times, my lord. It may be like agent, it may be broker.
This is the recent
What is
judgment.
this?
This is the recent judgment regarding 420 and 406.
Now, my lord, kindly see section 405, my lord.
In page number 8, my lord.
Page number 8.
8. Para number 11. It deals with sitting 415, my lord. Here is category.
Yes, the ingredients are there should be a fraudulent, dishonest inducement. The person so induced should be intentionally induced to deliver any property to any person or to consent that any person shall retain any property. The person so induced should be intentionally induced to do or to omit to. See, this is what I am
Yes, madam.
repeatedly asking you.
I'm coming to that, my lord.
You please
Yes,
show
madam.
me that
Yes,
particular
madam.
part.
Kindly see page 102, my lord, of the lease agreement, my lord. Apart from that, my lord, this role assigned to her, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, 102, my lord. It's a lease agreement, my lord, between the husband and the, my lord, the
102.
lessor of the, my lord. Yes, my lord.
102.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, the lease agreement.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, the husband has been, my lord, represented by Dipsika Chaudhary, my lord.
Dipsika.
Yes, my lord. Now, in 104.
Yes, she will be dealing in the products of Hudson so and
Yes,
so,
madam.
and the payment to the lesser amount account will be made through the
it
company
is
account
specific-
of so and so.
It is specific, my lord, that she will be dealing in products of Hudson.
Yes,
The entrustment was there, my lord.
yes.
And what she has done, my lord,
No. For 400, for 420,
Yes, madam.
entrustment is not required.
deception is mass, my lord. Before.
Correct.
Yes.
So that is what I am asking. Where has she
What is the
deceived?
deception?
Where is the deception? Where is the inducement?
Now, my lord, kindly come to my lord.
And this inducement has to be shown that it was with the intention to cheat.
Yes.
That intention is also very important, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes, madam.
I'm coming with what I see.
Yes,
we'll
madam.
come to 405 later.
Yes, madam.
But 420, whether it is
Yes,
made
sir,
out or not.
my note in respect of 415 is so small, my lord.
Yes, your 415, you have not said anything. Do you want to?
I am answering only for your 6,
Correct.
120,
So,
three,
if you
79.
want, you can take back these notes and you can give us a
Yes,
different
no,
set of
but
notes.
I'll first satisfy, my lord.
You, what I would appreciate is if you can satisfy this code with, you see the exercise that has to be undertaken is
Yes.
first of all to see the FIR, correct?
Yes, madam.
And to call out what are the allegations.
Yes, madam.
Right? Now since the offences booked here is 419, 406 and 420,
Yes, ma'am.
therefore the ingredients of these three sections is
Yes, ma'am.
required.
Well, I-
And then to see whether the ingredients fits in the allegations or not.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the exercise.
Yes, madam.
So I would appreciate if one of the side gives me the allegations of the FIR in a chart
Yes,
and the ingredients and show if what is attracted.
Now, madam, what
that
she
would make
has
it
done,
very
madam?
easier.
She made some fictitious, my lord, customer's name, my lord.
Where is that allegation?
Yes, my lord. That is our in termination letter, my lord. It is, in the
That
record,
is
my
in your
lord.
termination letter.
Yes,
but in
madam.
the FIR,
FIR, it was not, my lord. Probably in the, my lord, 161 statement of the complaint, my lord. I don't know, my lord.
I have not found
Yes,
anything against her.
For my satisfaction, my lord, kindly see the termination letter, my lord.
Page.
Page, my lord. 131, my lord.
131.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
That is after the affair.
We have stated, madam. Now, madam, kindly see subsequent from the 1, 2, 3. Para 3, madam,
See,
kindly see.
these are the allegations which
We have mentioned about the FIR also. madam.
correct. But in the FIR, where are these allegations?
Yes, madam.
Here you are saying, moreover, you in tandem and association with so and so along with other aides have also sought to introduce spurious buyers
Yes, madam.
and have induced us to supply substantial quantities of our products to them.
Yes, madam.
All such suppliers, after having received of our products, misappropriated them and have not made payment of the full value of the products as they never intended.
Yes.
You and your associates were aware that all these purported buyers were not genuine, and you, along with your aides on making false representation, have induced us to part with our products to them without ever intending to make payment of its full value. Now, this is dated September 15,
Yes.
2023. Now, come to page 36, the FIR. The FIR is dated 8/8/2023.
Yes, sir.
That is before this termination.
Yes.
Number one. Now, in the FIR, please show me the allegations against Dipsika. What is the allegation that you have said? Because for this court to exercise its
Yes,
powers...
page 37, madam, kindly see, madam.
Page?
37.
Yes, please.
But second paragraph,
Yes.
may I read, madam?
Yes, please.
Mr. Nilam Kaisab on several days till so-and-so communicated the order of defined poultry combination. The goods so transported from our factory to Guwahati stock at our godown located at Sonapur were supposed to be sold immediately to the customer against whom orders were booked by the Guwahati office. The stock were received in the godown by one of the employee of a Guwahati office, namely so-and-so, who certified that the stock worth 89.90 metric ton poultry feed in stock godown so-and-so. The stock was supposed to be sold on or before 23/6/23 itself, but we are surprised as there was no request from the Guwahati office for issue of invoice to a customer, neither was any indication of payment against the same. We had doubt in our minds that transportation of goods were made on the basis of the order placed by the Mr. Nilam Kaisab under the authority of Mr. Deepsika Chaudhary, who at the relevant point of time was officiating as consultant of our company and was responsible for managing all the operation at Guwahati for
So
notice.
you had a suspicion that so-and-so was doing it on the...
The authority of Dipsika.
as
Where is the
per-
authority?
as
In the FIR, madam, it is not required to, madam, to
All
inspect
right,
everything,
go
madam.
ahead, go ahead.
Yes, madam. We doubt the sound foul play and according we will sudden made a surprise visit on 24/6/23 at Sonapur Godown to take a stock of the stock supposed to be available in the godown as per the stock statement of Bhavan Patak. We were surprised to find out that there was no stock of our product in the godown and Mr. Nilam Kaisab together with the Deepsika Chaudhary were found absent. On being inquired, Mr. Bhavan Patak, who received the stock, could not give any explanation in regard to the missing of stock. Thereafter, the undersigned called Mr. Nilam Kaisab for discussing about the same. When he expresses his anger as to why he had come to Guwahati without his permission, and I will face direct consequences if he went to company office in Basistapur or Sonapur Godown. The undersigned felt afraid and refrained from going there. After getting persuasion with Mr. Kaisab about the missing goods from Sonapur Godown, he simply said that the goods have been sold and he will inform details of the sales after receiving the payment. On challenging him, he refused to cooperate and refused to divulge the details of the transaction done by him for the so-and-so, removed from the godown by him. So, as the informer innocently believed Mr. Nilam Kaisab and thought that he would certainly deposit the amount in the account of company, the informer waited for a reasonable time and provided him opportunity to refund the money. But Nilam Kaisab has not only failed to deposit the money, but he has cut short all the communication with the informant. Mr. Nilam Kaisab and Deepsika Chaudhary have breached our trust and stolen goods from Sonapur Godown. It is now clear to us they and other directors of Sonali Foods, in which Deepsika Chaudhary is a director, have removed the goods and sold the same in the market. Moreover, the guilty consigned...
The only thing that comes out from this FIR is
Yes.
that she is the director of Sonali Foods, which
Yes.
is alleged to have sold the said goods
Yes.
and has misappropriated that money.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
That is the only link
Yes.
of Deepshika,
Yes.
which appears to be other than the bold allegations that
Yes.
are made in the FIR, that it is done with a conspiracy
Yes.
where she is a part.
That's why I am
These are
legally-
only bold allegations.
That's why I am submitting whether they have shared a common intention, because here the criminal vicarious liability would come. It is not always necessary to participate
I
in
mean,
Yes,
you take back your Mr. Wathakur.
yes,
You take back your notes.
Yes.
You give a proper detailed one
Yes.
where you address all these issues. All right. I am. Would you like to take this and give it together?
Madam, can you peruse the same? Madam, for a moment, madam, kindly see, madam, the Bajaj, madam.
Huh?
The Rajesh Bajaj, madam, kindly see for a moment, madam.
Which
Page
one?
number 25, madam, of my compilation, madam.
Page number.
25, madam.
Yes.
How, madam, the Supreme Court has dealt with 415, madam.
See, this is what the evidence made in the complaint. Prima facie makes out the case of investigation.
So it is like this is the complaint, madam, made here also, madam.
Correct. I'm not saying that it should be verbatim contained,
Yes, sir.
but the factual foundation of the offence has to be there in the FIR.
Yes,
Mere bald allegation will not do. This is what I'm trying to say. The only link that comes out from the FIR is that she happens to be a director of Sonali Foods.
But as to why,
which
my lord,
is
as to why,
alleged to have sold
my lord,
these
see, my lord,
goods.
as
Correct.
to, my lord, see, my lord, at the same time, my lord, as to why Sonali Food received the goods of the Hudson Foods, my lord.
But that other person, Mr. Kashyap, he is also part of the Sonali Food. He's because
Nilam Kashyap, my lord,
he has something to do in Sonali.
Deepsika Chaudhary husband.
He doesn't.
My lord, I am Deepsika Chaudhary. It has nothing to do with Nilang Kashyap. If Nilang Kashyap is involved in Sonali Foods, then let him be hauled up.
No, why I am asking this question because I have seen the statements. Everything points out to the other person.
Nilang Kashyap is my
that-
husband.
That he has done it.
Huh?
Brother-in-law.
Oh, sorry,
No,
brother-in-law.
he's not the husband.
Brother-in-law.
Neelam Mehdi, not Neelam Kishore.
So
Her husband was involved, my lord.
No,
maybe
brother-in-law,
the husband
brother-in-law.
is involved, but
Brother-in-law.
now we are concerned with Deepshika.
Deepsika.
Yes.
So only link that she is a director of Sonali Foods, nothing else. Even the statements
But being a
nowhere
director,
mentions
he has
about
the
her.
responsibility, my lord.
Huh?
Being a director, one of the
See,
director, my lord.
those things may civil consequences
Because
may
he-
be there. That's
Exactly,
a different thing.
exactly.
But now for these criminal offences, that is why I'm asking you. He wants to redo the notes that were submitted, so we are giving the note
Mila.
back to him. Let him do it. But
No problem.
what I would appreciate is that while you are addressing the note, you put the allegations of the FIR
Yes, ma'am.
point-wise, the ingredients of these three sections, and you show which part of the ingredients has been brought home prima
Yes.
facie. If we take these allegations to be true against Deepshika, I think that is the only exercise that this
Precisely.
court is required to be
Absolutely.
taken.
Absolutely.
Nothing more than that, isn't it? So just show if there is something also, assuming it is true right now, for
Yes,
the
sir.
sake of doing this exercise, we find that a ingredient of the proposed sections are made out, then of course we will not
Interfere.
quash the FIR. But if we see that nothing is there, then why should we allow this
So, but a
case to
forgery
go on
is
against
concerned,
the
but-
petitioner?
But forgery is concerned, my ingredients of 405 is very much there, my lord.
So that is
Yes,
why
ma'am.
you do that exercise,
Yes,
because till now you, let me be very frank,
Because the
except
instruction was there, my
for
lord.
link with Sonali Foods, nothing seems to have is there against her.
We have
Just
kindly
mere
seen,
ball
ma'am.
allegation that she is the consultant, that it has been done along with her will not do.
Because by-
there has to be something more.
That's why
What
they
has
for-
been done along with her?
But
How does
but
she
there is a
know?
word, my lord, in the forgery, kindly say, in any manner, interest, my lord.
My lord,
It may be
was
to
a-
as a, it may be to Bokar, my lord. It cannot be.
Sorry?
The 405, my lord, the word has been used in any manner interest, my lord. It may be to Bokar, it may be to AZ, my lord.
All right, you improvise your note.
Yes, ma'am.
As far as petitioner is concerned, your note is already there, and the case laws that you all are citing, you have already given. And
Mila.
Mr. Chaudhary, your juniors have also given me the decision of
Mohan.
A.M. Mohan. That's a case of cheating.
Yes.
Now, specifically, I was posing these questions to Mr. Bhattacharya that where is the inducement, where is the deception?
Where
he
is
was-
the initial deception?
Initial deception. That's what. Even I mentioned that at the time of making that intention has to be there at
Yes,
the
from the
beginning.
very beginning.
From the very beginning.
That's why my note with regard to my lord 14 is so
So that is why you are given that
Anyway, you are
liberty.
getting an opportunity.
You do
Obviously,
your
yes.
note anyway. So but by when can you submit?
after 5th, my lord.
All right. After 5th at the did.
Not on 6, my lord. 6 so many cases,
All
some
right,
others.
all right. Here, due to paucity of time, hearing could not be
After-
completed. List again on such and such date.
Can it be on 14, my lord?
On
14
14th
or
August.
16, my lord?
8 I have no problem. My learned অসুবিধা আছে হ'ব দিয়া
When do you want it?
13 or 14, my lord.
14 oh let it be 13
এইখিনি ভালকে থৈ দিব দেই আৰু সেইখিনি তাৰ ভিতৰত থৈ দিয়ক Sachin Garg is also relied by you.
yes
This was given by
yes us
আরে blinders clip দি এইখিনি বেলেগকে দিয়ক এইখিনি বেলেগ কৰি দিয়ক
Fabulous.